In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable two-factor authentication here in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions. Just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up Fortnite and you need to go up in the top right corner, select your profile picture and then hit the settings gear just like so and go to the very last tab and scroll down. What you're looking for on here is this can receive gifts tab. Make sure that this is turned on and then hit apply and go out of here. And what you're going to want to do next is actually close out of Fortnite and open up a web browser of your choice. Go ahead and search for epicgames.com, and once you're on epicgames.com, for some reason that actually took a little bit longer to load than it usually does, you need to go ahead and sign into your account using whatever platform you're on, like Xbox, PlayStation, Google if you're on PC, Epic Games if you're on PC. Once you are logged in, select your name up in the top right, hit account just like so, and then you're going to be put on your account settings. Go ahead and scroll down a little bit and look for this password and security tab on this left-hand sidebar. Select it and then look for two-factor authentication. I already have it enabled, so I'm going to have to verify myself real quick. But once you're in here, scroll down a little bit, you're going to see the enabled methods right here and stuff that you can enable. There's like the Epic Authenticator, an Authenticator app, email, SMS. I recommend doing something like SMS or email. That's just what I personally prefer since I'm not a big fan of Authenticator apps, but obviously do whatever option works best for you. Hit set up and follow the step-by-step process. But yeah, if you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.